ng Pampanga Basketball. Jerimer. Double team. Gets it out to Matias. Yes! Here's Jerimer. Na-unload to Matias.
Great ball movement.
Nice fake. Matias, the stick back. Dalawang players ang na-attract ni. But na-compensate ni Paul Sanga dun sa 3 spot.
Oo.
Archie Concepcion. Here's Archie. Scores plus the foul.
And that one, I think that's one thing na i-exploit naman.
Score. Here's Cabanag. Jerimer. Goes to Gabby Espinas. Taken away by Archie Concepcion. Concepcion, 2 points.
Very well, actually.
Here's Matias. Lumapit. Extra pass. Oh! Ang ganda ng paglipat ni Gabby Espinas sa kabila.
Oo, and you know, the maturity of...
Inside they go. Baltasar, no good. Second try. Yes. 4 on the shot clock. Jeff, wala. Baltasar, easy. Stick back.
Yeah, 8 points already.
Good. Baltasar, hindi pa nagpapahinga. Backing down on Manlangit.
Good pass.
Lervin.
Almost a walk.
Umatake. Lervin Flores gets the 2 points. It's a 5-point lead for Pampanga. 15-10 with under 3 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Timeout. MJ Garcia with the offensive rebound. No good. Another opportunity. Jamo with a one-hander.
Yeah, it's really the length of this Giant Lanterns.
Liu. Manlangit for 3. That's good. 17-15, and first quarter is done.
As expected, it's gonna be tight at from the get-go. Pero credit pa rin dito sa ginawa ng Caloocan because they started the
Kay Binuya using the pick from Balti. Balti pulls up. That's good.
Money.
MJ Garcia. Gustong pumuesto ni Brandon Ramirez. Magat fronting him inside. Ramirez gets the roll.
And don't be deceived with him. Okay, with that half.
They go to Espinas against Baltasar. Well defended. Recovered.
Shot that at 5.
Cabanag for 3. Yes.
Yeah, just lucky break for the Caloocan.
Basta yung tong. Joko, jumper, yes.
What a response from the Kankalu after that timeout. 5-2.
Concepcion, umatake. Yes, sir.
You know, ito yung sinasabi natin, depth na sa depth. Jeff Biernes.
And Caloocan needs players to stretch the floor. Sanga for 3. Yes. Yeah. That's a long 2. Sorry about that. Concepcion, Garcia, corner. Yes.
At the buzzer.
36-20. Pampanga, but Archie Inigo just snuck behind Baltasar and he lays it in for 2.
What a play by Archie. Safe mode.
And inside, Lervin Flores. They can hurt you. Sanga knocks down the jumper. Single digits ang Kalamangan.
Kailangan nilang maka-convert.
Sanga, yes,
yan,
sir. 7 points.
Lervin
I don't think he's aware of what's going on. To be fair, Lervin Flores, you're a rookie here in the MPBL. Baguhan to sa MPBL. 6-point game. Sanga, free, 3. Achi for 3 to tie. Wala. Inigo in the lane. Yes! Inigo here, ang pagtimon niya sa Caloocan in this ball game.
Oh, and great call also from Coach Alex Angeles na to convert into 2-3 zone. Itong si Paul Sanga and Achi Inigo.
A nice pass there by Archie Concepcion. MJ Garcia gets it to Jamo Egilos. The one-hander, he'll get the bounce.
Tumira sila eh.
Manangit knocks down to 3.
Again, getting out from
Viernes, corner 3.
wala pa rin.
Still no good. Concepcion, binigay kay MJ Garcia. Viernes, another 3.
There you go.
And
Missed twice already pero did not hesitate yung pangatlo.
JJ Manangit eating up. 47 to 44, 8 points para kay JJ. Archie Concepcion says, sa totoo lang, kailangan ko lang nakasama mamaya pa uwi. So Jeff Viernes knocks down to 3. And Caloocan winning that third quarter, coach, pero yung
By a hairline of
runs into trouble. Cervantes against Viernes, rail off
There
the
you go.
glass and in.
And if there's one guy that they need to get going, it's Nala. Because most of the time, they're so used to playing in their home turf against big teams. So iba yung istorya.
Yeah,
Diba?
different story din yan. Extra pass, Flores, no good. Cervantes thought about it. Hiruta, he'll fire.
There you go.
Knock down to 3. Still an 11-point deficit ang hinaharap. Baltasar back to Viernes. Yes. Jeff Viernes, 9 points.
Itong kalalim talaga.
Sanga loses the handle. Egilos ahead to Concepcion. Archie, 2 points.
Oo. And just like that.
And they set you up with a knockout blow. Archie Concepcion getting the 2 points. And think again.
Think again. Be careful.
Sanga knocks down to 3. Lead of Pampanga now.
Again, 4-0 run for Caloocan.
Concepcion answers right back. 28 for Caloocan. Just an incredible performance again. Jeff Viernes now with MJ.
Oo.
Here's Jeff. Moving well without the basketball.
Plus
Jeff
a basket.
Viernes. Matutuwa si boss Jeff Viernes. Caught ball watching as Paul Sanga. To 56 ang ating score.
Kasi alam mo, ang magiging point of attack talaga is still Justin Baltasar.
Jeff Viernes ginaganahan pa dito sa dulo.
Continues to mentor itong mga young players ng Giant Lanterns. Kasi ang hirap nun.
There's a similarity here.
And again, the assignment for this team, kasi especially dun kung nasaan to where they are right